superhero costume. Palapakan muna natin everyone. Kanya-kanyang pasabog na.
Yes!
Kanya-kanyang pa-under na. And because of that, para mas mainitin pa ang ating Man of Steel 2025 simulan na special award.
Yes, ang ating Sponsor's Choice Award to be awarded ang honor po ng Azumi's Prince Superhero Costume ng ating Best in Superhero Costume.
Or rather say, photo.
Yes, ang ating Best in Superhero Photo to be awarded by Miss Jane Baldonado is Man of Steel candidate number 9!
Deadpool!
Deadpool! Pero yung kanyang pool, alive na alive.
Hindi siya dead, pero full na full.
Yes!
And ang ating next award is ang ating Azumi's Prince Superhero Choice. Yung ating designer mismo ay meron siyang choice of her own. Kaya naman ang ating best, or should I say, superhero choice from Azumi is candidate number 10, Captain America!
And ang ating last special award for our first segment, ang ating Best in Superhero Costume. Ang ating Best in Superhero Costume is Man of Steel candidate number 7, Thor! Fresh?
Diba? Parang gusto mo magpapalakol, no?
Ewan ko ba? Parang gusto mong magpatama sa bigla. Thank you so much and congratulations sa ating first set of awards.
Yes, ang ating best in superhero photo number 9, Deadpool, Superhero Choice, Captain America, and ang ating superhero costume is Thor.
Once again, thank you so much sa ating sponsor na ating superhero.